Yeah man, that is it. Yeah my peeps, big up on yourself. All my supporters. Flex I say one love and much respect, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so you don't know. Chef up a thing right now. So I'm cooking some smoked turkey. Yeah, yeah man. Smoked turkey me I cook. You see me I say you don't know me I gotta do it my way. As usual. You see me I say? Yeah man, so just stay tuned guys, big up on yourself, catch it pre and watch what I go on. And don't forget, just hit me up, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Yeah man, just like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah man. See me I say and drop a comment in the comment section as well. That is it. Big up on yourself, catch it pre and watch what I go on. Yes guys, you don't know how to get the knife sharp and ready, yes me I say? Yeah man. So you have some vinegar. Yeah man. Always wash the meat and fish with vinegar, you know me I say? Yeah man. Wash it down with vinegar and lemon, you know what I say? Yeah man, get the thing clean and proper, real. That is it guys, just stay tuned, catch it free and watch what I want. So we are going to wash up the meat and thing, you know what I say? Yeah man, and then get the cutting board clean up and thing, you see what I say? So just stay tuned, catch it pre and watch what I go and wait for the seasoning part of the turkey. Yes guys, turkey wash proper, ready for season, you know what I say? Yeah man, so check it guys. I know most of you might familiar with these seasoning, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so original Creole, yeah man, and this one called Slap Your Mama, yeah man. So alright, original, straight from yard, that is it, yeah man. Alright, so that is the powder seasoning guys, alright guys. Some cayenne pepper, yeah man, and cayenne pepper is very good, yeah man. Burn out diabetes, I'm sure about that one day, you see me? Yeah man, a lot of things cayenne pepper is good for, yeah man, and it's also good for corona. Yeah man, not at the beer, coronavirus, yeah man, cayenne pepper, yeah man, good for asthma too. You just have to know how to use it, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so stay tuned guys, catch it pre and watch what I go on. So now I add all my herbs and spices and my powder seasoning, alright? So meat seasoned down properly and I go and marinate, you see me I say? Yeah man, so cover it and let it sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna prepare my garden seasoning. All right, stay tuned guys, catch it pre, watch you all go on. Yes guys, so I have all my garden seasoning and vegetables, so I get them washed properly, you know what I say. Yeah man, pour it in, add it to the cutting board. That is it guys. Yeah man, so stay tuned guys, catch it pre and watch what go on. So guys, I just get carried away in preparing my stuff, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so we have pepper, we have hot pepper and chili pepper, sweet pepper. Yeah man, it's a combination of pepper guys. Alright. Yeah man, that is it. So I'm cutting up some tomato, you know? Yeah man. Remember, don't forget guys, I'm cooking stewed turkey. Alright? Yeah man. I'm cutting up some carrot guys. The pot is hot, so I'm gonna add some oil to the pot guys. Stay tuned, catch it pre and watch what go on. Yes guys, so preparing some garlic. Yeah man, and the easiest way is to strip your garlic guys, because the skin is very compact, very tight, hugging on to the garlic itself, you know what I say. Yeah man, so the easiest way is to just smash it a little first. Yeah man, and then you strip it easily. That is it. Yeah man, so now I love to cut up my garlic real fine guys. Yeah man, it's more effective when you cut it up fine, you know what I say. Yeah man. That is it. So here I have my garlic and some thyme. I'm gonna add it to the hot oil. Alright, stay tuned, catch it pre and watch what go on. Alright guys, so turkey well seasoned down properly, so I'm gonna add all of this. Mix it in properly. That is it. Stay tuned, catch it pre and watch what. Yes guys, oil is hot. Make sure you guys see what's popping. I wish you can smell this flavor getting up out of this pot, guys. Trust me. Smells so good, guys. Yeah, man, stir it around a little bit, you know. Alright. Now I'm gonna add some soya sauce. Yeah, man. Chinese soya sauce. You know about that. I like to add my soya sauce in the pot when the meat is in the pot, you know what I mean? When the soya sauce hit the heat, trust me, that flavor go crazy in the food, man. Yeah, man. It's not what you cook, guys, it's how you cook it. Yeah, man, don't know. See that? I'm gonna add some molasses. Yeah, man. Don't overdo it, guys. Don't overdo it. Alright? Yeah, man. Just a little. Gives it a really nice flavor, guys. Trust me. Yeah, man. I just want to say much respect. Yeah, man. Goes out to all of my supporters. Yeah, man. Like I said, big up on yourself. Yeah, man. One love and much respect. Yeah, man. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna allow this to bunja down properly. Yeah, man. Before I add any water to it. Alright. That is it. Don't forget, keep supporting my cooking channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Okay, guys. So smoked turkey stew. Yeah. Go with some dumplings, may I say? Yeah, man. And I like to put some, blend some plantain, like some green plantain, or put some cornmeal. Yeah. I like to add, good stuff to my flour. Yeah, man. That is it. Don't really like the plain flour, guys. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. That is it. So I have the flour, some salt. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna add some cornmeal to it. All right. Stay tuned, catch it pre, and watch what go on. That is it. Don't worry, guys. My hands are clean. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Fingernail them cut and wash and clean properly. You see me? That is it. Make sure it knead it properly, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. That is it, guys. Yeah, man. Dumpling them. Yeah, man, and me say, no, man, clean as you go. I roll like kitchen, you hear that? Yeah, man. Stay tuned, guys. Catch it free and watch what go on. Dumpling them a bubble, so I'm gonna add some green plantain, yeah, man, and some cassava. That is it. Stay tuned, catch it free and watch what go on. Alright, guys, so really and truly have to add some spinners to this, guys, to my stew turkey. You know what I said? Yeah, man, have the red peas. So the only thing was missing some spinners. Alright. Yeah, man, I have to drop some spinners in the stew, you see me? Yeah, man. Give it a stir, guys. Make sure them don't stick, you see me? And get them loosen up. And I'll give you a sneak preview, guys. How the stew will look in the pot. That is it. Yeah, man, dumpling them a bubble, you know?